Here is a simple way how to make automatic subtitles for your DaVinci Resolve project. For example, I take this small test video, so let's do subtitles for this video. First of all, click on timeline here, and now scroll down until you find create subtitles from audio. Click here. And in the small windows that appear, you can find language. You can use here English language, option presets, for example, subtitles default. And here you can teletext in Netflix. So I prefer using Netflix. Maximum chances per line and line signal gap between subtitles. Okay, great. And just wait creating subtitles. So there you go. You can see test audio record for audio here. But let me show you how to do it look better. So click on this subtitles and then you can find here captions and track. Click on track and for example go resize it, scroll down until you find drop shadow, click on drop shadow, blur, opacity and then click on background. And I think it looks better. That's it, I hope it helps you convert this new video or this playlist about DaVinci Resolve.